Hey y'all, it's Betsy with Happily Ever After, etc., and welcome back to another cruise video. So today we are in Ketchikan. We are only porting here for about 5-6 hours. It's a very short day. It's a little strange. And we have an excursion to go ziplining. It's a course. I signed up for ziplining, but when I was reading the extended explanation last night, because you only get a small explanation when you sign up, it did say there were rappelling stations and you had to get up there in a 4x4, which you guys know your girl gets motion sick. So we're going to get out there. We're going to see what there is. My dad's really excited to do it either way. I want to do it, but I'm a little nervous. But the hope is we're going to go to the ropes course. It says it's a 3-hour excursion and then hopefully be able to come back and explore a little bit of Ketchikan before we have to get back on the ship for 12:30. So let's go. We are cutting it close on our time today and get set. But I'm going to put on some bug spray first because it does say we're going into the forest and the only thing that likes to get me more than sun are mosquitoes. All right, wish me luck. I'm going to put on my bug spray and we'll hit the elevator.
Okay. Lady named Jody. Jody! There's a white van like right there, so I wonder if that's her.
It looks like there's people with signs down here, so let's go see if one of them says Bear Creek Zipline. All right, so we got over here and our tickets say Bear Creek Zipline Adventure, but her sign says Aerial Zip and Rappel Course. But Max, the gentleman who's in charge of the shore excursions desk, said that is the right excursion. So we're just gonna wait for the bus now.
All right, so as we come up to the stop sign here, off to the left, you'll notice Deer Mountain. After we clear this building, I can see it now. You'll see it here shortly. It's right below the sun right now. So Deer Mountain is 3,001 foot high, and it is the world's largest barometer. So what do you know about Ketchikan? Anything? Like our annual rainfall? Like about 13 feet? Yeah. It's not the most in Alaska, though. Whittier and Yucatan get more rain than we do. But that's the largest barometer in the world, and this is how it works. If you can see the top, it's going to rain. If you can't, it's raining. As you can see, it's working. Does anybody have a U.S. passport?
Yes.
An older one, not the new ones. An older one. With them. Does anyone have one with them right now?
How old's the older?
A couple years.
Oh yeah, I'm older.
Is it with you right now?
Yeah.
Turn to page 25. We are going to pass a totem pole called the Chief Cayenne pole. And it is on page 25 of the older passports. In 1867, William H. Seward, Secretary of State of President Lincoln, was very influential in assisting America in buying Alaska from Russia. Does anyone know how much they paid?
$7.5 million.
Somewhere in that vicinity, almost 7.5, right? Million. This building on to the left with the green top, that's the Discovery Center, and it cost $7 million to build, and whatever they put in it equals $7 million. I don't know what's in it. I haven't been in there yet. Off to the right is station number 1. You'll see in a glassed enclosure over here on display is their 1902 first steam powered fire truck. They're really proud of it. They refurbished it twice. And typically it's in the 4th of July parade. So coming up on the right forward is the Chief Cayenne pole. Now the story behind that is, up on top is the chief's wife, and she came from a Crane. She was a Crane in the Crane clan or family or tribe. And then below that is her family, which are Thunderbirds. And below that is him, a bear, and he's holding them up. So he's honored for giving 160 acres to the first settlers to establish Ketchikan. Straight ahead up on top is Cape Fox Lodge. Next totem pole you see is the Fog Woman pole. It's the Chief Johnson pole. We're coming up on Creek Street. This is the old red light district. Now off to the right, before they made the marina and dredged it, at low tide, that would all be mud. And that was the first baseball field. They would play ball till they couldn't, when the tide was coming up. They hit a home run or a foul ball, they would send a dog to go get the ball. Creek Street to the left.
Alright, so we are on Juneau in the back. I don't know about this, yo. It's really tall. We have to climb a whole ladder.
Oh, nice.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, guys.
Thank you.
So if you have any favorite
You just stand there for a second. We have an orientation, then we'll go over how to put everything on.
This way, part like the Red Sea there. You guys are now seeing your cruise.
All right, go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Perfect. Lincoln, can you do Spider-Man for us?
I'm getting there.
Come on! We demand spiders!
Woo!
Wow. Corey was gonna
Okay, now somebody's got to kiss him upside down, and I am not volunteering.
Come here, buddy. I'll pull on the rope. I thought you said you have it.
Dad, don't do that.
Yeah!
Woo! I told you not to do that.
That's awesome.
Oh, he has no fear.
He has no fear.
This is the problem.
Nice.
All right.
Looking for an application?
Band's that way. All right, so we've been walking down from the ships. This is their oldest church, and we're just kind of wandering about. Which way do you want to go, Dad? That way? Okay. Here's the totem poles they were talking about on the bus.
Okay.
You know, walking past those.
Is that a cool totem pole? I think we are headed back to the ship. Meet you there. All right, y'all, so we are back from Ketchikan. As you can see, the boat is moving. We were only there from 7 a.m. to 12:30, so it was a very short day, and our excursion took up most of that. So we still were able to walk around town for about an hour, hour and a half. We got back to the ship right at 12 and went to get some lunch. It was hot all day in Ketchikan. Like you saw, I was wearing short sleeves most of the day, but now on the boat with it moving, it is chilly out here. So I'm gonna go put on my fuzzy boots, get ready for dinner. The ziplining adventure was really fun. If you really enjoy ziplining, the zips were fun. The rappelling, for me, was not fun. Oh, I was definitely the troublemaker of the group. It took me a while to be convinced to go, but I did eventually go. I don't know that I have any footage of it because Dad's not the best camera person. That's okay. I put some footage of him rappelling. He even tried to do the upside down rappelling, so he's great at it. Either way, it was a good day in Ketchikan. Tomorrow we are going to be in Victoria, but only in the evening. They port there very late at night, like at 8 o'clock at night. So we don't have an excursion booked. It's my birthday, so I'm not sure if we're gonna go into town or not. It's our last night of the cruise, and they're only there from like 8 to midnight. So I guess we'll see. But there was just a humpback baby whale and his mama out here, according to the naturalist who was on the ship, and we looked and looked and looked. We couldn't see it. So I'm gonna put on some warmer clothes and come sit out here and look for the whales. I hope this little review helped y'all. I really liked our tour guides, our zipline guides. Lincoln and Jara were amazing, even for me, the scaredy cat. Thanks, guys. Everybody else on the tour was less scared than me. Sorry. So I hope this helped. If you have been thinking about doing a ziplining adventure like this, this has been my third zipline. The other two were definitely easier, so take those skill levels into account. As always, I'm glad I did it, even if it takes me a little while to work up the courage to step off the platform. So if you're not sure, just try it. And if you hate it, don't do it again. I will see y'all later. Bye.